Yeah, and not too hard. Yumi.
Can I get a try?
Yumi, don't.
Cute.
Green, the umbrella. I'm gonna make an outline, and you're gonna
That's a
color the
tiny
inside.
umbrella. Umbrella? Is that one? He's holding an umbrella?
I'm outlining what you can color, Shallow. Don't color the tail. The tail is not green, so you. I'll just color this part. Let's see.
Which part should I color?
I'll just color this part. You can color the rest.
Should I color this?
A little bit.
Not the
Just
tail,
finish
not this. Not this tail. Mom, did I do lightly, Mom? Did I doing it good, Mom, though? Mommy, did Naomi doing it good? Mama?
Hold on, Shallow. You can color this part. Just
Mommy?
this part. Don't color the shallow. Just this part.
Did Naomi's doing good?
Yeah. Not too thick, Naomi, please. Here, Naomi, Shallow.
Thanks.
Come on.
I will try.
Slightly. You're gonna color the hat. Yeah, that way, Shallow. See, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's good. It's good. And don't Shallow. That's enough. Don't.
Yeah. Mom, shine my butt. Say you make couple this.
Shallow, she's trying to do her best.
About me.
Good job. Shallow. I'm doing Mr. Fishy.
Look, Mom, I got it. I got it.
Good job.
The hair. The hair. Mom, I did a good job.
Yeah.
A nice hat. Oh, the last one. Nice hair. I'm gonna go check on my wound. My wound is here. Can I put this down?
Naomi, you're gonna break it. Go over there. Go over there. Shallow, can you move a little bit? Naomi's gonna do the blue. Move a little bit.
I am my side.
Naomi,
You're gonna be really
I
tired.
love it. I'll do the inking, but you can do the colors. Good job. You want help too, Banono? You wanna help? Wanna help, Banono?
No, I don't want to help. I do this one. My side, your side. There you go, Mom. Got it. What is this?
Good job, girly.
Tree? Ah. Oh, wow. I hope I got it right, Mom.
No one's helping me.
No one was helping?
Yeah.
Can I help with that, Mom?
Oh yeah.
With that?
No, you can help with Naomi's.
Help with that.
There's no other red, Shallow, so they only need red.
But I want to color that.
I'm doing it right now.
Can I color this one?
Oh, with what?
Color this one.
With red?
Yeah. And when you're done,
We don't want to do the same thing Naomi's doing.
Mom can do her own, Mom. She's just gonna fight with me.
Look at this. I'm doing it really fast. Okay. Yeah, don't waste too much color.
No, Mom, I do really better now. I do what the thing you said. I think the bird's gonna stand up when he gets big. And if he gets in the Abe's age. No one's gonna get bigger than Abe. And stronger. And Lincoln.
Wow, Abe, what are you making? I like that.
And I'm gonna whack you.
Shadow, that's not nice.
It's not nice to like tell.
Alright, touch this. Use the glue.
Hey, this one's minion.
It's a miracle.
Give it to Mom.
Man, it's a miracle.
What's there?
Mama. Smash my delicious cake. My delicious cake. I was gonna try his sprinkles now. Ooh.
Oh, get me some wipes. Go, baby. Hey, a little bit. Abe's already waiting. A little bit, baby. Abe, dig it up. Here. Just a little bit. No, just wait. Stop it, you. Do his thing.
He can do whatever he wants to. Fruit!
Uh-oh, your Dr. Seuss is getting dirty.
My yummy is the yucky cake. Yummy cake. My yummy cake.
You're just mashing it.
Smashing my cake.
What's he doing?
Smashing it?
He's like squeezing it. It's dirty on his cake. Nana's poo. Wendy.